got a really awesome proprietary technology that allows any standard consumer with a digital camera, like this guy's pointing at me right now, you can grab that thing, you take 3 simple photos of your face. You don't have to do much, you just barely move your face, and in roughly 30 seconds, I can recreate any one of you in this room completely digitally in perfect photoreal nature, okay? You're completely rigged, it is completely animated and alive, and I'm going to show you guys a demo of this. The digital you that we call an actor can then be inserted directly into content and shared over social networks, stuck on blogs, it can be put directly into video games. We're basically creating the digital version of you that lives online. And that digital version of you, we anticipate you'll have full control over it. It'll move everywhere. It'll move onto your blog, your social networking pages. I know you guys got a couple of them. And a couple of your video games too will star you, your friends. You'll be fighting people online. You'll be seeing their face when you get that kill. Let's talk a little bit about what you do when you actually hit BigStage.com. The minute you hit BigStage.com, you're going to take these 3 photos, you're going to upload them to our website, and we're going to give you a digital home for the digital version of you, your actor. You can then take that digital version of you, and it starts with accessorizing, having fun, hair, add a facial tattoo, give yourself nose rings, whatever, and you can create this huge closet of accessories. Okay? As you can see right here, this is the digital you, a little bit faded, but I had some glasses going on, but we're walking right into a demo right here on accessories anyways. So what I thought we could do is we could just look directly at the website. So we'll go ahead and log in, get this going here, and then we'll show you a little accessories demo where you'll see the digital me. I took a couple photos before and I used a Windows Movie Maker. So this is the BigStage.com interface. You're going to log in, you're going to see something like this. You're going to go ahead and upload your 3 pictures, and there's a bald digital me. I'm adding hair to myself right there. You could go on, you can add, this is my cool hairstyle. You're going to see this a couple times in this presentation, because I'm all down with that afro thing. So you can go ahead and add glasses. This goes everywhere. It's makeup, it's whatever you guys could possibly do. Sorry about that. That was an accident. So check this out. So we got what do we got? Like a hockey mask, cool black hair, some funky ass head. You know, I mean, this could go anywhere. But once you've accessorized yourself on the site, you've got this whole closet of stuff. We'll talk about how we monetize this later. You're going to put yourself into images, the simplest stuff. And this is real simple stuff, okay? It's like put yourself into a cool-ass still image and put it on your social networking pages, right? Open social, your Facebooks, all that stuff. So you can see I'm going through stuff. There's me as a ninja. You know, these are just photos. These are public domain movies. I just went and grabbed a bunch of these because the simplest shit on this site is awesome, okay? So I throw, get rid of this picture right here. So this one right here is cool. This is me, a little edgy. Notice the hair. Get the afro going again. I'm getting my neck sliced open. This is cool. I'm going to throw this up on my MySpace, let friends comment on it. Maybe put it on my my little Facebook page. And here's, I had to do this, you guys. Here's just some shots of me, some photos here. So this is me in a Chinese kung fu film, little sci-fi action, accessorized it a little bit. And all these are just examples of things you can post online. There's the hair again. Love it. I'm looking pretty badass right there. What else do we got here? Okay. Little hood wrap thing going on. Put that on my Facebook. And of course, a friend did this for me that works in our office. I'm like the Fangirella female vampire killer here. You can see it all matches right, and this is instant, single-click stuff. Now let's talk about video. Now video extends this further. Now this is where the revolution comes into play. The digital you will be completely immersed into the content online. Storytelling will change. You and your friends will see yourselves in the next generation of online entertainment starring everyone close to you, right? So I'm going to show you an example of me sending a get well soon e-card from one of our partners, Jittery. This is me. This happens in real time. This is not pre-rendered. It's me coughing my ass off with my cool hair. And I'll show you guys, I'm changing stuff in real time. I'm going to add some cornrows. Boom. There we go. I'm going to take my glasses off. And so you customize the hell out of any video experience. It doesn't matter. You can even upload your own voice, and your actor will talk in your voice. Okay? Once you've done that, I'll show you a little example here. I'm going to save the video. It's real simple functionality. You make yourself a cool piece of content. You put a title, throw in a little description, throw in some meta tags, and you're off and running. You can just link this sucker anywhere, share it with your friends. All right. Now, directly after this year, we're going to see a little slide on IP, so we'll definitely kind of get into that. So the company, the technology comes directly out of the University of Southern California. This is a 9.5-year research project between the CIA and USC. This is a homeland security technology. All right, the U.S. government will be modeling your face and comparing you to databases in airports and all across the globe. Scary, but yeah, it's going to happen. So we went in and we basically took this technology, worldwide exclusive rights to commercialize this for entertainment, and we filed some IP here. So we've got issued patents, which we're really proud of, on a single lens device actually creating a digital human like this. And this is just the beginning. I mean, aside from our IP portfolio, I mean, it's all about digitizing humanity, personalizing media entertainment. It's highly scalable. This thing, 10 million people can do this and putting themselves into content and watching themselves in content in real time. And it's kind of the perfect storm that spans, consumers and various media companies. What we've done is we've created this awesome experience that millions of kids, my business partners are above 40 and they're using this every day. That's how it is. That's how it is when you play in this world. So,
I can't imagine being over 40.
So basically, the goal, anyways, guys, the goal here is to do a bunch of cool stuff. We're talking to a lot of Hollywood producers, directors, a nice lady over here from Avenue A, advertisers, people that are interested in getting brands hooked in with the consumer world and getting those brands virally distributed across the internet. So the first thing we do is create content, and we monetize that by just doing sponsorship, right? So sponsor the cool content that's being created by Robert Rodriguez, this, and that. Another thing we're doing is accessories. I can't tell you how jacked up a lot of the sunglass companies and a lot of the clothing companies are to put the actual product on each and every one of you and to connect that directly, make that connection in your brain. It's huge. So the idea for virtual goods, it's over a $2 billion market worldwide right now. I don't know what happens, but I think it's going to be turbocharged when you throw this sucker in the hands of all those brands. As you saw, we had a bunch of accessories, none of them are branded, but there's no way I could charge a user for to use yourself. It just didn't make sense to us. So we're going to offer a ton of free accessories online. We're going to monetize it with a lot of premium accessories. And it's not just accessories, it's all about the content as well. So premium content, we're talking about, all these big media companies, we're based in LA, all these media companies are trying to figure out how to take current assets and create new assets that consumers will love and eat up online. And the whole idea of a short 2-minute series, offshoot of 24, or a new short series created just for the internet starring you and 3 of your buddies storming the beaches of Normandy in World War II. Who knows what the hell happens? That's a cool way to monetize content online. It's a social. There's a big trend that is changing a lot of that stuff. And it started with the social networking phenomenon. So you see now, 100, 200 million people putting up personal photos online of their personal experiences. The photorealistic nature of sharing is really changing, where people are saying, you know what, I don't care. I want to put my whole party experience online and share that experience with my friends. It's going away from this, I'm a nerdy computer guy that wants to hide behind a mask and talk shit to people while I blast them in the game all day long. It's a little different. It's going a little more mainstream, and we're really trying to ride that kind of trend.